Okay, good day everyone. Thank you and you're welcome to Kenny Math Clinic channel. Today we'll be looking at an interesting topic for Basic 6 class. Very awesome topic that usually students find difficult or pupils find difficult. Why? Because of the interpretation that one need to give to that particular question. And the topic is word problem. Word problems. Word problems. And questions from word problems are questions, that you yourself you need to comprehend the question and for you to be able to analyze, interpret the question using numbers. Now, let's look at, I want us to take a very good look at the following examples. Let's take some examples. Let me have this first question. And the question says, now question one says, the sum of a number and 11 is 19. Now look at where the question is. What is the number? Now this is the question. Now the question says the sum. Now we need to interpret the question one after the other. What is the sum? And what number are we referring to? We have 11 and we have 19. So we need to break it down one after the other. And in breaking it down, let's take a look at this. It says the sum means addition. And they said the sum of a number. Now, I want to represent this number with, let me say, y. So they said the sum of a number. I said I should call it what? Y. Y. And 11, remember this the word sum means addition. So meaning the sum of a number and 11. Now I'm going to represent this number with y. So meaning the sum of y and 11. They said is equals to what? 19. Is 19. Is 19. Oh, is 19. Now they want to find out, or they're asking us to find what the y is. Now, in a layman way, you don't need to stress yourself. What number will you have to 11 to get 19? Very simple. At least definitely we all know the number. But this interpretation is very, very important, very, very crucial. Once you have this, you have gotten the answer. So automatically, y is what? 19 minus 11. Just remove 11 from 19. And what is y? Y is 8. So can you see? So this number you are talking about, the number is what? The number is 8. And ordinarily, when you add 8 to 11, you get what? 19. Can you see? It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So let's take another question. Let's take another question. Let's take another question. I'm going to call this one question 2. And the question 2 says, let's take it together. And the question 2 says, 13 added to a number is 34. Now look at the question. What is the number? That is another question here now. 13 added to a number is what? 34. Look at it. Added 13, a number 34. Now, what am I doing? I'm doing the interpretation. I'm trying to get the interpretation of this question. So they said 13 is added to a number. So again, let's use another letter. Let's say A, letter A. So they say when you add 13 to a number, A, they add 13 to it. And they say the answer is what? 34. This is interpretation. So you must be able to interpret the question. So looking at this now, what is it? So what will you add to 13 to have 34? Just do 34 minus 13 and you will get what? You get the answer. And what is that? 21. So meaning this A is 21, is 21. That number. Is there 13 added to a number? This number now is 21. The one you add 13 to 21, you get it. So first of all, we should be able to learn how to interpret the question and have it just like the question in a mathematical way like this. And once that is done, you yourself, you are very sure that you will get your answer and then you will smile. So please, yeah, we are just going to have some other questions, but I want us to digest this so that before we look at the next thing to do. And please, if you have any question on what I've solved or any other thing that you want, please just drop your question at the comment section and I will give you an answer. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, press the notification button so that whenever we drop any video on our channel, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you and see you in our next class.